Why are you paying for Zoom when you have a perfectly good video tool right now in your Google Workspace account? Here are 3 reasons you can stop using Zoom and use your Google Meet that's already in your Google Workspace system. 1, there's a free version. Just like there's a free version of Zoom, if that's what you're using, you can use this free version of Google Meet and have your conduct your coaching calls or you have your meetings. Most of the kickback I get from that is, oh, but you can't record, Shantae. And I tell them, oh, but there are other ways to record besides using Google Workspace. 1, you want a limited tech stack. I work with a lot of people that are not tech savvy. They want as few tools as possible to run their business. Well, by having Google Workspace, they get a lot of tools in one. And video conferencing is one of them. The next thing is it's free and it's already included, even in the free account. I know in the comments someone's going to say, but Zoom, even the free version, records your calls and things. That's fine. You can record yours using your screen sharing device on your laptop. And you're already in your ecosystem. The next reason is it is totally integrated in your business ecosystem already. If you're currently using Google Workspace, you're already comfortable with this system, you understand how it works. This is one more app inside of this toolkit. You don't have to connect it. Google Meet is already an integrated part of your ecosystem. You won't need to use Zapier or Make to connect tools like your calendar, like your scheduler, like any of those tools that you typically are going to work with day to day in your business. You won't need this external tool, Zapier, to connect those because they're already connected. Ugh. These tools are all connected to each other. They're part of an existing ecosystem. And the other reason is no more separate entity tools, separate logins for everything. You've got a separate login because you got a scheduler. You got a separate login because you've got storage. You got a separate login because you got a video conferencing tool. You won't need that. This is your ecosystem. Video conferencing comes with it. Storage comes with it. Documents, forms, presentations, they all come with this ecosystem. So you have everything in one place, easy to access and a login. I get it that everybody's used to using, they're familiar with it, but does that mean you have to use it because you're familiar with it? Objection I get from people are people that are new to Zoom. They don't have login. They don't want to download the app. They're struggling with setting it up. It's due for updates. We don't have all that with Google Meet. You'll have a link and you can send it to anybody. And they don't have to have a special Gmail login to use it. So if you want tools that are easy to use, already connected in one ecosystem, an easy to use video conferencing tool. And while that video conferencing tool may be easy for you to use, more important is how easy is it for your clients to use? Do you have people that are really clients that are not really used to any of these tools? You want a seamless, frictionless process for them. Google Meet will give you that. They will give you a link and they can go to the browser and lock and load from there. It'll be a super simple process. As you can see here, you'll get reminders. This is a call, invite via link, join with me, Google Meet. It's already set up. All you have to do is click on that link, everything starts up.
So there you have it. 3 reasons to choose Google Meet over Zoom if you're already using Google Workspace. Subscribe for more Google Workspace tutorials to save time and make more money using tools you already have.